200 a year. The CDC reported use of the highly addictive narcotic skyrocketed among Americans who got hooked on prescription painkillers, then turned to the cheaper alternative.
I picked up the needle on heroin when I was 15.
The CDC also found the use of electronic cigarettes among teenagers tripled over the last year. The FDA announced new warning labels for common anti-inflammatory drugs such as Motrin and Aleve, saying they carry a risk of heart attack and stroke. A landmark government study could lead to changes in blood pressure guidelines. The study showed lowering blood pressure to 120 for people over 50 at risk of heart disease significantly lowered their risk of death. Addie, the first drug to treat low libido in women, is marketed in October. It's for women who have no sex drive.
It's kind of like eating your favorite food and not having any taste buds. You can't taste it.
The American Cancer Society changed its breast cancer screening guidelines, recommending women at average risk get yearly